Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and Elly eating ice cream. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his little nose, and his smiling mouth, and then the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. I draw his body and his arms. In his hand, he holds a bowl of ice cream. With 4 scoops of ice cream. And an umbrella as a decoration. It looks very nice. Now let's draw Elly. I start with her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. She has 2 big ears. Her shoulders and arms. She also holds a bowl of ice cream. Finally, I draw some small details. Now the rest of her body. In the other hand, I draw an umbrella. Super!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Now I'm going to color Pocoyo. I'm going to color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. Then light red for his mouth. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to color his clothes with this marker, blue. Yellow. I color his bowl with light blue. Then for the ice cream, I use yellow, red, purple, brown, and fuchsia. I color the umbrella red. Now let's color Elly. I use this fuchsia marker to color her entire skin or body. Then I use this blue marker for the straps of her backpack. Her bowl will be mint. For her ice cream, I use orange, green, yellow, brown, and red. Finally, let's color her umbrella with aqua blue. Great!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.